Here's the babies in the morning after they're eating. They're playing, they're barking. Who's that barking? Oh, is that Tulip? Oh, Tulip's barking. And Sumo is eating. Lotus! What's this Marigold doing? She's gonna come over here and play at something. Hey! They all want to get in my lap. There you guys. Go play. Go play again. We're getting full. We're getting sleepy already. Oh, there we go. Guys are playing. Get him. Get him. Oh, and there goes Tulip. Barking again. Oh, play. Yeah, play. Sunflower and Marigold playing. Uh-oh, Sunflower's got Tulip's butt. Oh no, that was Violet's butt. Can't see the color rickrack too much through my lens. Who's over here? Oh, somebody's got a scratch. Oh, there they go. They're so cute during this stage. And who's in my lap? And that's Marigold in my lap. Uh-oh. Somebody's eating again. Is somebody getting whiny and sleepy? They're just like babies. When they get tired, they start whining. You guys are so cute. Alright, that's what they do in the morning. They'll be 4 weeks old tonight. There you go. Bye.